If you're seeing x.com or Twitter response error 88, don't worry, this usually means you've hit a rate limit, and in this video I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it. Whether you're on a PC, Mac, or just using the web version, I'm going to walk you through each step so you can get back into your account without guessing. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Now, let's get started. First, let's understand what error 88 actually means. This error usually appears when Twitter or X thinks too many requests have been sent in a short amount of time. That can happen if you refresh too fast, use a third-party extension, run automation tools, or even if your browser is stuck sending repeated requests in the background. So the goal here is not just to force the page to load, but to remove whatever is causing the rate limit in the first place. The first thing you should try is the simplest fix, and that is to wait it out. In many cases, the rate limit resets automatically after about 15 minutes, so close the tab, stop refreshing the page, and give it a little time. If the error happened while browsing normally, step away for 15 to 30 minutes, then come back and try again. This alone often fixes the issue without doing anything else. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can cause login loops and repeated requests, which can trigger the error again and again. If you're using Google Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift and Delete on Windows or Command, Shift and Delete on Mac. When the clear browsing data window opens, set the time range to all time, then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data. Once the browser finishes clearing everything, fully restart your browser. Then open X or Twitter again and sign back in. This is important because sometimes the browser still holds on to the old session until you restart it. If the page works after that, the problem was likely caused by stored browser data. Now let's move on to browser extensions, because this is one of the most common causes of error 88. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, auto-refresh tools, social media managers, or script-based tools can make background requests without you realizing it. That can push your account or your IP over the rate limit very quickly. To check this, open your browser's extension menu by clicking the puzzle piece icon near the top right. Then, look through your installed extensions and temporarily disable anything related to Twitter, monitoring, automation, page refresh, or social media tools. If you're not sure which one is causing the issue, disable them one by one or turn off all non-essential extensions for a quick test. After disabling the extensions, refresh X and try logging in again. If the error disappears, you found the cause. You can then leave that extension off, remove it completely, or reinstall it later with safer settings. Another really helpful test is to use an incognito or private window. This is one of the easiest ways to tell whether your browser data or extensions are the problem. On Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift and N to open an incognito window. On Mac, use Command, Shift and N. Then go to x.com and try logging in there. If X works fine in incognito mode, that usually means the issue is tied to your regular browser profile, stored cookies, or one of your extensions. If it still gives you error 88 in incognito, then the issue is more likely related to your network, your IP, or a temporary X-side limit. Next, check whether you're using a VPN or proxy. This matters because if many users share the same VPN IP address, or if your network is being flagged, X may temporarily restrict access from that IP. If you have a VPN running, turn it off and try again using your normal internet connection. If you're using a proxy or any privacy routing tool, disable that too and test the site directly. If the page starts working after turning off the VPN, then the VPN was likely the reason you hit the rate limit. In that case, either keep it off while using X or switch to a different server or location if your VPN supports it. If you still have the issue after all of that, try signing out of X completely, then sign back in after clearing your browser data. You can also test the account on a different browser or a different device. For example, if you were using Chrome, try Edge or Firefox. This helps you confirm whether the issue is account-related or browser-related. And here's one more important tip. Avoid rapid refreshing while the error is active. Repeated refreshing can make the limit worse and extend the time before it clears. It's better to wait, clean up the browser, and then return once the cooldown has passed. So to recap, the main fixes for x.com or Twitter response error 88 are: wait 15 to 30 minutes, clear cache and cookies, disable suspicious extensions, test in incognito mode, and turn off any VPN or proxy. In most cases, one of these steps will get you back in. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. It really helps the channel and it makes sure you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.